Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you, a delicious keto cake recipe that's flourless and perfect for your low-carb lifestyle. Let's dive right in. In a large mixing bowl, start by adding 4 eggs, stevia sweetener, vanilla, and vinegar. You'll find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Give them a good mix until everything is well combined. Now, let's add our yogurt, ground coconut, and baking powder. Mix everything well until you get a smooth batter. Take a 20 cm springform pan and layer it with parchment paper. Brush the sides with olive oil or melted butter to prevent sticking. Pour the mixture into the prepared pan. Now, pop it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. While our cake is baking, let's prepare the topping. In a small mixing bowl, add yogurt, peanut butter, stevia, and cinnamon. Beat them very well until you get a smooth and creamy mixture. Once the cake is done baking, let it cool completely. Then, spread our delicious topping over the cake. Finally, sprinkle some ground cinnamon on top for that extra touch. And there you have it, a beautiful, flourless keto cake that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth without breaking your diet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time on Heaven's Kitchen.